Welcome back to Fireside Chat GPT, where curiosity meets connection. Today, we're doing something different. You've heard the tools. You've seen the strategies. Now, let's talk real people. Because yes, people just like you are already making money with AI. And their stories might just spark your next move. Let's start with Sarah, a former elementary school teacher from Texas. She was burnt out, underpaid, and curious. One weekend, she used ChatGPT to help her write a series of educational printables, math games, reading worksheets, and simple lesson plans. Then she uploaded them to Etsy. She made $200 in her first month. And by month 4, she was bringing in more than her old teaching salary, passively. Sarah's not a tech wizard. She just knew how to teach and let AI do the packaging. What she used: ChatGPT for content, Canva for design, Etsy for sales. Then there's Jamal, a 19-year-old college student from Toronto. He always wanted to write, but never knew where to start. So he used ChatGPT to co-write short fiction stories. Added his own twist. Created covers with free AI image tools. Published them on Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. His second book made $89 in one weekend. And now, he's got 12 titles. It's not about being famous, it's about owning your creativity. What he used: ChatGPT for ideas and drafts, Canva or Midjourney for cover design, KDP to publish. Meet Alina, a freelance video editor from the Philippines. She didn't quit editing, she upgraded it. She used ChatGPT to write YouTube titles, scripts, and descriptions for clients. And started offering AI-enhanced video packages on Fiverr. Turns out, clients loved it. In 60 days, she doubled her client base. Now, she uses AI as her assistant, not her replacement. What she used: ChatGPT for scripting, Fiverr for clients, CapCut for editing, Notion AI to organize her workflow. Carlos runs a landscaping company. He didn't want to become a YouTuber. He just wanted fewer headaches. He used ChatGPT to write email follow-ups to customers, simple website copy, Instagram captions for before and after photos. Then he found Zapier and automated some of it. He saved over 10 hours per week, just by plugging AI into the parts of business he didn't like. What he used: ChatGPT, Zapier, Instagram plus Canva. It wasn't flashy, but it worked. What do these stories have in common? Backhand index pointing right. None of them were AI experts. Backhand index pointing right. All of them started with one small task. It wasn't about going viral. It was about getting creative, being curious, and using what they had. And that's the point of this series. AI isn't the enemy. It's a tool. And when regular people use it the right way, it opens doors. Here's your starting point: if you like writing, try ebooks or templates. If you're a designer, try social media kits or printables. If you're a business owner, let AI write your emails and ads. If you're just curious, brainstorm one idea with ChatGPT. Just one. Don't overthink it. You're not behind, you're just getting started. These aren't just stories. They're a preview of what's possible. And the best part: you can do it your way, from home, for free, and with the help of tools like ChatGPT. So if you're thinking about starting something, start. Even a small win is still a win. Thank you for watching Fireside Chat GPT. Stay curious. Stay human. And create a better life.